Did you know that bright light can make you sneeze? Trust me, you're not alone. This isn't just random, there's real science behind it. Let's break it down. It's called the Photic sneeze reflex, and about 1 in 4 people have it. When you go from dark to bright light, nerves in your eyes and nose basically get their wires crossed. Here's what's wild, this reflex is genetic, so if you do it, blame your parents. Scientists think the optic nerve, which sends signals from your eyes to your brain, is a bit too close to the trigeminal nerve, which tells your nose to sneeze. Bright light triggers your optic nerve, and boom, the message accidentally leaks to your nose. Time to sneeze. So next time you step out into the sun and feel a sneeze coming, remember, it's not weird, it's science, and you're part of a quirky club. Stay curious, science lovers.